We still hustle daily. What's up, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Ray, Big Play, coming to y'all with another video today. Make sure y'all smash that like button there. Hopefully, everybody having a great day. Let's go ahead and look at these messages. It says, "Hi, good morning. This is Madison. I came to you Friday. Whenever you get a chance, could you please get back to me? Really need my hair fix. It's only been 2 days. Dang it. Hold on, y'all. It's only been damn it. All right. It's only been 2 days and my lace is already showing. I truly don't feel like this is what I paid for. If you don't have time to fix it, which I completely understand, we could possibly discuss a potential refund. Thank you so much for your time and understanding." Okay. It says, "Hey, again, can you please respond whenever you get time? I really don't want to take my hair down due to the fact I literally just got this wig installed. And also, you kind of overplucked my wig, so it looks very bald at the top." Okay, we got messages. She says, "I hope everything is good. Whenever you get a chance, could you please text me back?" She says, "I'm actually about to take the wig off because it looks a hot mess. I feel irritated about it because my hair looked a mess my birthday, and I'm trying to be understanding, but I had a brand new wig and it looks like I installed it two to three times. You told me you'll fix it and you never got back to me and were an hour late to our appointment, which was already very unprofessional, by the way. I've been being very patient, but would just like a refund if possible. No hard feelings." It says, "I don't mean to sound harsh or anything. I just wanted to share my honest opinion instead of posting about it online. People might posted about it something. I can't see it. I don't feel like clicking it. You know what I'm saying? I thought it would be better to reach out to you directly. When you get a chance to see this message, could you respond? Hey, any update? Are you going to give me any kind of refund?" Okay. It says pay me at, okay, oh, so she sent her Cash App. It looks like the girl hearted the message. Okay. She said, "Hey, when are you sending it? Question mark. I'm not asking for a refund or nothing for the wig. It's done. I can't even install it again. You messed up the lace. You messed the lace up, and once you send me my money, I won't text you again." Okay. And she reads some more here. So basically, she's just trying to get in contact with this person on who, installed her wig. And she's saying, "You know what? I don't like the way this stuff is done. Can I get some type of compensation, a refund, or anything, please?" So, okay, we see what's going on here. Let's get into the story and what happened here. Ooh, now I'm not gonna lie. That's just no. Now, that doesn't look good. I'm not gonna cap. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know anything about the lashes and the wigs and the laces and the whatever they called. I don't know nothing about that, but this does not look good. Okay, so I know this can't be right here. This is installed. This look like
So I was getting my hair done for my 17th birthday, and the usual girl that I go to, she was booked, and I know I should have booked my appointment before, but I ended up booking that late. So I booked with this girl named, mind y'all, this is my first time going to this girl, but on Instagram her work looked good to me. I ain't gonna lie, like on Instagram her work looked good. So I booked an appointment for her
okay.
for October the 10th at 10 a.m. This girl is gonna text me the day of and tell me, can we push it back to 12? Mind y'all, that was the day of my birthday. I got my hair done the day of my birthday. No, that's kind of stupid, but I got my hair done the day of my birthday, so like I couldn't keep pushing back my other appointments and my plans that I had. So I'm like, no, but I can't do 12. She said, well, you can come at 10:30 or 11. I said, okay, 10:30 is fine. I didn't know the difference between 10 a.m. and 10:30, but okay.
Right.
So she texted me at 10:19 and tell me she on the way. I get to the shop literally right at 10:30. Like, I get there right at 10:30. So I texted her at 10:30 and I told her I was here. She was like, okay, I'm on my way. Mind you, you was on your way at 10:19. You was on your way at 10:19. You should almost be here by now, if you're not already here. So, no response. 30 minutes go by. No response. It's 11 o'clock. I didn't book my appointment for 11, babes. I didn't book my appointment for 11. So, it's 11 o'clock. Still no response. She texts me. She says my grandpa drives slow. And
Yo,
I'm going to be
grandpa.
a little late. Okay, cool. I get that. But you didn't tell me you was going to be an hour late. A minute and an hour late is two different things, boo. You should have told me. You had me sitting there wasting my gas for an hour, mind y'all.
Just sitting
So
there.
the girl finally get to the appointment. I'm walking in. Why is someone else walking in with a wig in their hand? I'm looking like,
Oh my
I
God.
didn't book no bestie deal, babe. So another girl, she walks in with a wig and stuff. So she just bleached. She started to put bleach on both of our wigs and wash her wig because her wig was used. My wig was a brand new wig, y'all. A brand new wig. So she bleached my wig. She plucked it. Okay, cool. She got me done.
What does plucking mean? What does that mean, y'all? Like, I don't know.
First. So basically, I was getting my hair done first, and then the girl was going to get in a chair. So while I'm getting my hair braided down, the girl is sitting there waiting. And I got my wig cap. She put me under the dryer. Then she started on the girl. She braid her hair down, put her wig cap on. Then she get back on me. So she put the wig on. I didn't see anything wrong with the install at first. I thought she was doing a good job until I took my camera and I went up close to that damn lace.
Oh
Let me show y'all the photos.
Oh
This is like right after the appointment, y'all. But while she was like finishing up with my hair, I noticed like a bald spot right here. And I'm like, this is a brand new wig. And I pointed out to her, I'm like, hey girl, it's like a bald spot right here. And she's like put a comb and she spray it. And the part is already crooked, boo. The part is already crooked. The part is literally like this. I look down and my part is sideways. So she sprayed it. I'm low-key irritated because I'm like, this is my brand new wig. Like, damn, I can't even reinstall it. So when I get to where I'm going, I text her. I'm like, hey, girl, my hair is like flaking up and it's turning white. She like, okay, come the next day at 9 a.m. in the morning. I never said, okay, I will be there. I said, okay, I'm going to let you know.
Okay.
And she says, okay. The day passed. I texted her and I said, hey, any updates? Because mind you, you was not at the shop at no 9 a.m. in the morning if you couldn't come the previous day at 10 a.m. Your time management, boo, is already bad. You not finna have me wasting my gas again. So I texted her and I asked her for an update. No response. Okay, so the post before this, those are the messages that I was texting.
Okay, we read those.
I was like, girl, like, when are you gonna get back to me? When are you gonna get back to me? So 3 weeks go by. Mind y'all, I work in a store. So I seen her while I was at work one time. And I went up to her and I was like, hey girl, did you get my messages? She talking about yeah, girl, you been blowing my phone up. Girl, what do you mean I've been blowing your phone up? You messed my hair up and then you never texted me back after that. So I'm like, what do you mean? But she like, oh yeah, you been blowing my phone up, so just give me your cash app, Mind y'all, this girl hand me her phone. I type my cash app in. She says, okay, I'm gonna send you your $50 back. Because basically I was asking her for half of the money back, basically. So she was like, okay, I'm gonna give you your $50 back. So I'm like, okay,
Stop
cool.
the cap.
A week go by, no $50. Mind y'all, I had went and I had got my hair done by this other girl I be going to. Like, I got another wig after that. And I had 2 wigs. I tried to get that deep wave reinstalled because, y'all, that wig was so T. I tried to get it reinstalled. The girl literally told me, this wig, you cannot reinstall it. This wig is done with, is over. It's over plugged. And it has a bald spot. And she put a hole in the lace. Let me show y'all.
Oh, I see. So plucking, I guess. I mean, I guess plucking is plucking, but I'm trying to see what you plucking out though. Like, so she plucked that motherfucker too hard, and they poked a hole in the goddamn wig. Let me see.
This is basically how it looked when I was taking it off. I just had to get a good picture, like
Yeah.
where y'all can see the bald spot was like right there. Y'all can see it.
Yeah, like right here.
So yeah, I'm like, dang, I just wasted my money. And it's like, I paid for that wig and I paid for the install. I definitely want my money's worth. And it's like, on my birthday, I didn't even feel pretty on my birthday because of my hair. Like, I felt like my hair just threw everything off. Like, the flaky edges, no, it threw everything off. It threw everything off. So I was really like devastated.
Okay. Yeah, her hair look good now, but I ain't gonna lie. What that damn, yo, that how it was looking, that didn't look too good. So yeah, she definitely should have got her money back for that. You know what I'm saying? Didn't look good, but her shit on point now. Her shit T. That's what y'all say now. That shit T now. Hey, but yeah, the girl just didn't want to send the money back. She probably really needed the money or whatever the case is. She should have sent it back though. Like, man, I'm sending you a picture. Like, come on, bro. You see this? I got the picture. If she sent her this picture right here, man, look. If she sent her that picture right there, come on, bro. Like, let me get my money back, gang. Come on. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit, you ain't supposed to see this shit right here. It's the shit that you're not supposed to see. I know that for a fact. I don't know shit about it for real, but I know you're not supposed to see this. I personally, you know, another thing, I can't. Well, this is a wig though. Okay. You know what I don't like? This, I don't know if wigs do this or just that fucking weave or whatever the fuck is, and y'all they be leaving all them goddamn strands of hair everywhere. That shit is annoying to me. Bring a girl over, she got all that fucking hair everywhere, or she just even if she got this is natural, like it's worth with that weave though. That shit irritates the fuck out of me. Like I don't not like when I'm walking in my house and I see one of them long ass pieces of hair. I be like, shit irritates me. I ain't gonna lie. But other than that, yeah, I'm glad she got her shit done. I wish she would have got her money back though, because that's not good. Some of it back, you know what I mean? Because that don't look good. I ain't gonna lie. So that's messed up. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me. Y'all share y'all thoughts and let me know what y'all think. All right, I love y'all. All right. Peace.